Hello, hello. It's Miss Watson coming at you this week. And for the first day this week, we are going to talk about, drum roll, short vowel sounds. Now, I know some of you are saying, Miss Watson, please, I already know short vowel sounds. Well, good for you. You should. We are just reviewing, making sure everybody knows what to do. So, if you already know, then you know the sounds that short vowels make. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Now, when they are short sounds, here is how it goes. Watch my lips. Okay, here we go. A, E, A, Those are the sounds short vowel sounds make. All right, let's say it again. Ready? A, E, A, Now, come on, you got to stand up for this, people. Come on. Got to get everything flowing. All right, here we go. We're going to say the sounds the vowels make when they are short. All right, here we go. Ready? A, E, A, All right, here we go. Come on now. Some of you aren't doing it. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. A, E, A, All right, let's do it faster. Ready? Here we go. A, E, A, Faster. A, E, A, A, E, A, All right, now let's put it in a word. If I have the word I have C and I have P. What are we going to put in the middle if we're doing a short vowel sound? Let's try A. If I put an A there, it's going to make it cap, like a hat. Okay? Let's see, will it work for the E? The E sound makes eh. Okay, let's put the E here. Ep. Cap. No, that's not a word. All right, take it off. Next one we have is our I, which makes the what sound for the short vowel sound? I. So we have ip. No, that's not a word either. All right, so we're erasing. Now we have the O sound. What is the O sound if it is short? Ah. Here we go. Op. Cop. Have you heard of that word before? Yes. It is another word for police, right? A police officer. Okay, so that one works. What about the letter U? What sound does the letter U make when it is a short vowel sound? That's right. So we're going to put our U here, and it's the sound of the word is cup. We all know what a cup is, right? Something we drink out of. All right. So now, since you know it all, you are to go to this activity and you are to fill in the vowel letter that belongs in each word. Are you ready for the assignment? And go.